in this video I'm going to unbox clothes I bought and try them on. And in the second part of the video I'm going to do a try on haul of it and just check out with you guys what it looks like. Most products I bought are from Primark and most of them are from SHEIN, so I just collected the parcels today. So I do apologize for disturbances and sounds in the background because the family's here and people are making noise and there's music, so yeah, that's the reason for background noises. This is the bag. It's quite big. It's like unboxing, so I'm gonna do it like that. Okay, no. So I'm so happy. I don't know, I feel so nice having this cute little bag tail with me, and I'll just open them up really just to see like what I think about the texture, about the consistency of the material. Yeah. First item, okay, is the dress. I think, yeah, this is the dress. Have I bought this? It looks so bloody cute. Oh, nice. And my sister does approve. So let's move on to the next item. I'm happy because the first item looks cute and I feel like it'll even look better when I try it on. So yeah. Okay, I've been waiting for this for ages. This is the denim jumpsuit. I chose it in a darker wash. I prefer darker wash over the light one. And this looks so good. So good. This is so good. I could wear this to college, to church, to whatever. It's so cute, like, and the quality is strong, like it's proper solid. The stitching, I love exposed stitches on like denim material. I definitely think I'm gonna buy like jeans or something with like exposed white stitches because this, I feel like it adds more spice to the look. Yeah, so guys, just in case if you see different lighting and stuff, that's because I'm recording in different days. The sky looks so awful right now, so I'm just doing whatever works. I really want to show you what I got, so I'm just gonna unbox it, then go on with recording the next day or something. So that's the reason for different lighting. This is the white crop top. It looks cute, to be honest. I'm just a bit worried. I hope it won't be like see-through, because if it's see-through, I will cry. I don't like having see-through clothes. The build that's what I want. I also want like the item to like have quality. The trousers, for example, are very nice. I've got white trousers to match with the top, and if you have a close look, it has like, you know, this situation going on, this rib situation, like my sister said, and the bottom is like inclined. Again, I hope it's not see-through because I'll cry. I don't want to be paranoid about like, you know, people seeing through my clothes. Lastly, I'm going to open up, I forgot what this is actually, so I'll just open it up and see what it is. And it's definitely not see-through. So I got these two-piece set. It's solid, it's stretchy, and the top is built nice. Like this, I generally do not regret. This looks so nice. And yeah, guys, like I also recently I'm just buying clothes to also avoid. I'm trying to buy clothes that aren't black, because all my clothes are black, and my mom even threatened me to ban my clothes, bro. So I'm buying clothes that are not, you know, black, so I can diversify my looks. This I feel more inclined to like, you know, try new stuff out, experimenting different looks, different hairstyles, different makeup looks and stuff. So that's also part of the clothes I'm trying on and stuff. So yeah, guys, now I'm gonna move on to like showing you what I got from Primark, because yeah, half of the clothes I bought and half of the clothes I'm gonna try on. The first item I bought from Primark is this gym type of top. It's so stretchy, it's solid, it's got this little holes where your thumbs come out, and it's definitely solid. It's so nice, it's so pretty. I tried it on in rooms and it generally looks perfect. So my task right now is maybe find, you can style it with different stuff. I think I'm gonna buy like blue joggers at some point that will go with these, you know, with this top. Zipper hoodie. It's like super vibrant, it's super bright, like there's nowhere I will go and people won't notice me because of the brightness of this color. Like it's so captivating. And I didn't only buy this top, it was just worth like how much? 10 quid in an extra small size. Before I got the 2XS was too small for me, it was too tight, but it still looks cute, so I decided to size up and go with extra small. Straight leg, really, it's stretchy, the top is stretchy too, and you know, you've got like cute stitchings everywhere, you know, so it has some dimension. This was worth 10 quid as well, but the thing is, like, you can't wear this without like being noticed because it's so vibrant, it's so radiant. So, and I feel like it also looks good on melanin. I'm so anxious a bit about wearing it outside because like I usually wear darker colors, more subtle colors and stuff. That these items sounds part of like a try on haul, but since I bought these with the rest of what I got, I'll just show it to you guys. These products are not from Primark and they're not from SHEIN, but I'm just gonna show them anyways because I feel like it. So I got these lip glosses from Body Care. Body Care is actually my obsession recently because you get everything and it's actually real affordable. I also got this lip conditioner. I don't know if it's zooming. I don't want to have dry lips. I don't know if it gives some shine. I don't really know much about lip conditioners, but I still bought it because it's something that does something to your lips, so I just bought it. Then from Body Care, I also got the sheet mask for my face because the other day I tried sheet masks and a sheet mask, my first ever one actually, and I felt so good. I felt gorgeous, I felt amazing. I woke up with the softest, cutest skin, and it just made my self-esteem better. I think I got it mostly for my under eyes, but it's for the entire face. I think it's gonna give me more radiance and stuff. So guys, I decided that the first items I'm gonna try on are from Primark, and I've only got 3 pieces from that before we move on to the next part of the video where I try on my SHEIN order. So guys, the first item I'm trying on is this cute blue, light baby blue top from Primark. It's so cute, it's seamless, it's got this situation going on at the back. It's real like sporty, but I don't go to gym, I'm not physically active, I don't do anything, but I still feel like it's cute. It has the little holes on the thumbs and I also like the look of that. People say that it warms up your fingers, but I just like the look of it, I like the aesthetic. It's very solid, seamless, like it just hugs your body, and the material is very thick, like it's not see-through. And on top of that, like it's very silky as well. So I genuinely love this top. I love the blue color, I love how it looks. Yeah guys, it's looking good, I like it. So guys, I also bought this set from Primark. So the top is, oh my god, I don't know why my hair tangles, but anyways. I bought this set from Primark as well. It's so cute, very lively color. It has this cute white strip going down it. The bottoms don't have that white strip, but it's still cute. Quality is good, and it's like proper radiates, like it's very radiant color. And I'm really not used to wearing bright colors like that because I'm used to wearing black and dark colors. But recently I'm like, let's give different stuff a try. My mom has really been longing for me to try different colored clothes and not black every single day, but I'm kind of stuck in my way, so this is like a journey for me. So I think I'm gonna wear this to college for sure, and depends on my mood really. I feel like I'm gonna wear it quite often because it's proper fitted, it looks so cute, like it's quite flattering as well. It's really flattering. It don't have like details in the back, but like the front, I don't know, I look at it and it's just gorgeous. So yeah, I bought the bottoms. Yeah, I bought the top for 10 quid I think, and the bottoms for 7. So for this entire set was like 17 quid. I think I'll do it again because like I was there and I was like, okay, I want to try this on, and my sister just saw it and she was like, this definitely will look good on you, and I usually trust her opinion, so I ended up getting it. I mean, I ended up trying it on first and she loved it. I loved it, I felt cute, so that's how I ended up buying this color. I really don't have colors like this in my wardrobe, and yeah, let's just move on to the next clothing piece. I think that's it from Primark. I think that's it from Primark actually. Yeah. So these are the items from SHEIN. So they're not many, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces, and I think I do like all of them because I mean when I bought them it was like actually the most impulsive decision I've ever made. So I just made the decision at like 11 in the night and just got it that same night. So yeah, well, here we are with my impulsive decision. Okay, so I bought this two-piece set. From SHEIN. It's really stretchy, but it's also thick and it's not see-through. My worst fear when I buy sets and leggings and stuff is it being see-through, but these ones is very stretchy and it's actually my size. I'm very scared when I buy stuff online because like, what if it's not my size and stuff? So guys, this is the set that I'm wearing. It looks nice. Yeah, it does look nice. Like this top, like the baby blue top from PRIMARK, it also has the little hand warmers. I don't know if that's its name, but it looks good as an everyday outfit. This looks good for college. I like the feel to it. It feels like, I don't know, Skims in a sense, because like this is actually flawless. I don't care. Like, look at this. But yeah, guys, wow. It does look nice. It's stretchy. Wouldn't wear these leggings without a layer underneath because I think you'll see and no one really wants that. So guys, this is the set with the crop top. I really can't see what the camera looks like, but it kind of looks cute from a distance, so that's good. I'm actually surprised. I thought that you would be able to see through the crop top, but it's stretchy and it's actually soft. I mean, it's cotton, so yeah, it's very soft. It's not a two-piece set. I just bought it because both colors match. You might be able to see what I'm wearing, like ladies underneath, so safe enough. So this is the next item I bought. I bought this maxi dress and I'm actually, would I say impressed? Because this is the first dress I bought from SHEIN. It's very seamless, it's not see-through. The thickness of the fabric is ideal, like it's not too much, it's not too little, like it's there. I like the turtleneck thingy, and you can, you know, unzip it a bit if you want. So guys, this is the very last item I purchased from SHEIN, and this is the denim boutique. I've been waiting to buy this item for like months actually. And I'm so happy. It is stretchy, so that's good. I bought it in a size small. Got flared buttons, so I don't know if you can see it. Legs were long, so probably was gonna suit more of like tall girls. But I'm not that tall, and it still suited me, and I'm genuinely happy with this. Happy with the color I choose, because there was like a light wash jeans denim version, and there was a darker wash tone, and I picked the darker one, and I'm happy with the decision. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. That's it. Have a nice day. Love you guys.